How to redeem Roblox gift card. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to guide you on how you can redeem Roblox gift cards, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you want to redeem your Roblox gift card, all you have to do is simply go to roblox.com and you will see this type of interface. Then you want to make sure to log into your Roblox account. Then just tap on the three lines option from the top left. Then over here you will see all these sorts of options. Right now, if you want to redeem your gift card, then I would just recommend that you go directly to roblox.com/redeem. So roblox.com/redeem is the direct page where you can redeem your Roblox gift card codes. So go there and just go ahead and then make sure to enter the code. Once you see this interface, you can just tap the redeem option there once you enter the code. This way you'll be able to redeem your Roblox gift card. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.